Welcome to your weekly legal practice tip with Lexis Advance. I'm Delane Frazier, your local research attorney, and this week we are focusing on Shepard's grid. It's not just a highlighter. They say that a pen is mightier than a sword, but how about the highlighter? In 1999, Donald Smith and Thomas Atwood were hoping to secure a permit to open a card room in Colma, California. But not everyone in Colma was happy about this, including Ron and Helen Maldonado, who wanted a group called Lucky Chances to get the card room permit. Ron and Helen came across a newspaper article reporting that Smith and Atwood's former attorney was indicted on criminal charges of illegally attempting to influence a legislator. Ron and Helen made copies of this article and highlighted the paragraph that mentioned Smith and Atwood by name. Then they sent the article to the other citizens of Colma. Smith and Atwood filed a defamation lawsuit against the Maldonados. Can a defamatory innuendo be created by the act of highlighting a truthful and accurate passage within a newspaper article? The court ruled for the Maldonados, finding that the highlighting of the entirely truthful paragraph did not create a defamatory innuendo. Is this ruling still good law? How has this ruling been analyzed in other jurisdictions? We can see right away that this case is still good law by viewing the Shepard signal next to the case name. To learn how the ruling has been cited in other jurisdictions, simply click on the Shepardizes document at the right of the screen to view the full Shepard's report. Every attorney understands how critical it is to cite good law. With Shepard's available only on Lexis Advance, you receive comprehensive editorial analysis that provides you with case history and an array of case outcomes to help ensure your authorities are good law. Within the analysis section of the Shepard's report, you can see that many cases have followed this ruling. This followed by analysis phrase is only available on Lexis Advance. To view a graphical display of the Shepard's report, simply click on the pie chart icon at the top right of the page to view your Shepard's grid. The Shepard's grid view displays the treatment of the case in every jurisdiction it has been cited. It provides an at-a-glance view of your Shepard's report so you can quickly see how your jurisdiction has treated a specific case. Now you know how the Smith versus Maldonado ruling has been analyzed in other jurisdictions, and you could click on the boxes within the grid to access the cases you need for your research. You'll love using Shepard's grid. It might just be one of the highlights of your legal research assignment. Thank you for joining me for another legal practice tip. I am Delane Frazier. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me directly.